Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. KPTI. Let's have a look at this bad boy. Yo, 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 yo. Hey, man, thanks for making me some money today. No worries, bro. Well done. Well done. Go get yourself some lunch. What up, Hardy, bro? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? What up, guys? What up? Good morning, good morning. We'll get started in a few minutes. We'll start in a few minutes. We have 3 spots left, by the way, for the Discord. I've sent out the link. Once those 3 spots gone, it is gone. They're gone. It might sound like I always promote the Discord, guys, but it's literally because I get a lot of questions every single day in terms of what's the difference with the Discord, right? It's where I give my alerts and everything. The Twitter is just charts. That's it. If you're making money from just Twitter, right, you're going to make a lot more money from the Discord. Obviously, it's up to you. Decide if you want to join, but I'm just letting you know, that's all. Too much soup. What happened, soup? Talk to us. Talk to us, talk to us. Let me do a couple of these charts from Twitter and then... And then we will have a look at what you guys got to say. So just bear with me. KPTI. KPTI, let me have a look. Needs 175 reclaim. So needs 175. KPTI needs 175 reclaim. All right, what else? What else? What else? Too much soup. That's a funny one. MRDB, MRDB, MRDB. I'm not really. I don't really like this chart on MRDB, by the way. This is what I have on MDRB. MDRB. Right here. So you just have to wait for this break. So MDRB, wait for 0.6555 break. If I can spell break correctly. Right, there's MDRB. What else? Any other ones? Okay, no, that's it. All right, let's see what's happening. What's up? What's up? What's up? Glad you guys are making money. I'm glad you guys are making money. Well done, well done, well done. All you guys getting in the trade. Just always ensure that you have a stop loss. It's all good and well when you're making money, but it's also making sure that you can manage your risk. Take the losses like a man. It should be max 5% loss. GLT. I was watching GLT at $2. Yeah. Bro, I gave this thing, I said 218 break and I got in and I even sold too early. So it happens to the best of us. There's no best way of selling, guys, as well. There's no best way of selling. It's very, very difficult to sell as a trader. Funnily enough, it's harder to sell than, or to take profits. So here we have this, right? Look. You guys see this? This is what we have. So wait for the downtrend break. I would personally wait for $3, but you can wait for downtrend break. So GLT, downtrend break for scalp entries. You can wait on the 1 minute for the break above if you want to get in. GLT. How do you see GRR right now? I don't know where I should put my TP. One thing I would remind you, or not even remind you, to recommend, okay, Thaddeus, I'm not sure how to say your name, but what I do is the same thing every single time, and I recommend to implement in your trading as well, is whatever price you get in at, always have the same percentage stop loss and the same percentage first target, profit target. Meaning, if you always get in right? At $1 or $3, whatever it is, your first target must always be 3 or 5%. 10% if you want, maximum. I wouldn't hold higher than that because that's when it gets unrealistic. So whatever price you get in at, have a 3 to 5% first target and always have a maximum 5% stop loss. So that goes for if you got in a $1 stock, $2, $3, whatever it is. Just ensure that you're making sure that you have a consistent target every single time. That way it eliminates your emotions and everything. Why? Because if you get in at a, say with $1,000, right? Your stop loss is 5%. If you get stopped out, you're only losing what, $50? Okay. Or $5 even, whatever, or $50, sorry. So it's all about managing a risk. It's very, very important. And understanding why you get in the trade and then obviously accepting your maximum loss. CYN. CYN, CYN, CYN. CYN, CYN, CYN. Right, CYN, what's happening here with this? So CYN is in a downtrend at the moment. So we have to fix this chart. So just downtrend. So I would only look for entries if you can get above. If you get above, I would say this high, whatever that is, 0.22, 2215. So SYN, wait for break of trend. So does that make sense? So at the moment, it's in a downtrend. If you want to look for entries, you need the trend line to break. 2.2150, you could look for possible entries. That's how I would look at it personally. FSR, 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 FSR. What is happening with FSR? FSR has not changed from yesterday. You need this to break above. There's no candle closure above. Then you can look for possible entries. But for now, I would leave it. Make a profit, never sold too early. What do you mean, Josh? Morning, mate. Morning, morning, morning. Chart the VWAP on GLT. Just go to, all you have to do is go to GLT and then put VWAP. That's it. 2.58. That's your VWAP. Hollow is going, yeah. Look at this. I predicted it perfectly. I predicted it perfectly. I got in at 213 earlier or 211, and then I got in again at 228 or something. So I re-alerted it twice in the Discord. Everyone's making a lot of money in the Discord. Lots and lots of money made. Very, very easy. I haven't made one red trade this whole week. I've made 2 red trades in the last 2 weeks. Been very, very consistent with my trading, which is great. What is the max size percentage you put into any trade? I don't go in with more than 25% of my account. Whether you have a $100,000 account, $100 account, $1,000 account, whatever it may be, I don't go with more than 25% of my account. When I trade pre-market, I go in with 10% of my account. So if I have $1,000, I go in with $100 and I have a max 7% stop loss. So if I go into a trade with $100, the most I'll lose is $7. So then I'll be down $7 from my $1,000 account, which is absolutely nothing. Could you do GRRR? Yeah, GRR was on the watch list that I put this morning, and it's done exactly what I expected. Pulled back into demand zone right here, and then bang, up. So you can see that's a very, very nice trade. 125 is next level on this. This is what I would be waiting for next, unless we come back into this 15-minute demand zone again. Ideally, that's what I want. The lower it comes, the better for me. I will trade much better if it does that. CYTO, CYTO, CYTO. CYTO, just add this to the watch list since it's running. Former runner. We can see that's run here, 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 here. Nothing clear on this yet, personally. It has room to 350. That is your next kind of resistance level. 345. 345 is your next resistance level. Here we go. So the reason why that is because this is the next high right here. PBM, let me have a look. PBM. PBM is still in demand zone. Still in demand zone. Holding demand zone. So guys, you notice I do the same thing over and over and over again. I know the majority of you guys who are used to being in these live sessions is great because you learn a lot, right? I do the same thing every single morning. Okay, so for example, right now is I just have the low here and I have a high and then I identify the trend. Here's the same thing, a low, and then we can have this as the high, and then we just identify the trend. We can do it on any trade, so we can do it on hollow. So hollow, we have to look at like the 4 hour. I don't even know what this 4 hour is. Whoa. Okay, this is insane, this chart. This chart is pretty insane. I would definitely keep this one on watch. Hollow. I'm just gonna clean this chart. I'm just gonna leave the chart like this for now. I'll do it when market opens up. And then I'll be more interested. BDRX. So look here, right? I don't really know what's going on. I have no idea what's going on here. So all I will do is mark the high, which is 260. So we'll just do that. Any color you want. I have purple. I'll mark the support level here. You can have this here, but I'm just going to keep this as the most recent. And then all I do is just have it like this until we can see that it's clearly a downtrend. So there's no reason to be doing anything here, but this is all I have for it now. So until I see it start to push maybe about $2, then maybe I'll look and be more interested. GRDI, I like this one a lot. This is in a channel down pattern, bullish chart pattern, expecting this price to break out. Let me just move this down a bit. And then this down here. So there you can see what's going on, right? You can clearly see that price is doing exactly what you want with this bullish chart pattern. So it's doing this. Hopefully now, right, it's going to push up and then break a retest and then bang up. So that's what we can hope for on this. They did a one to, oh yeah, I know. I mean, I realized that they had a reverse split after that chart. This one. GLT holding VWAP entry or wait. When it's coming close to time like this, it's very, very risky entering trades, in my opinion. If you do max percent, 10% of your account, 7% stop loss. That's what I would do. GLT, yeah. I mean, look, GLT is at VWAP, so it's losing VWAP right now. I would say if you want to, if you get a 1 minute candle close above here, you can look for an entry if you want to. I personally won't be taking it as a trade, but if you get a reclaim of a 1 minute candle above here with a closure above, not a wick like this, these are wicks, this is rejection. If you get a closure above like this, then you can look for an entry if you want to on the 1 minute chart. On the 1 minute chart. PBM, I think my prediction on PBM, if it holds this level, it's going to run. That's my honest prediction. I hope it does. Onco, nothing on Onco. I know this is a previous runner though. MDRB, guys, this is a very easy trade here. Look, do not enter this trade unless you get a break of this. Why? Because every time it's getting around this level, it's rejecting. You need it to break above. Tell, this is breaking this level. This is going to go. This is going to run very, very hard. This is going to run very, very hard. Tell. Here it is. Here it is. Perking up. There's your break. Next stop, 0.53. Did anyone get in this thing? Tell. So there's your 0.5 break. Air, thanks. Yeah, air, we have to wait. We have to wait for air. I'm waiting, air, I'm waiting for 137 break. Why? Because if I look left on the chart, there's a lot of room to the upside. 155 plus. So I like air a lot. It's a very nice setup, but I will not be getting in unless we get 137 break. Then I'll look for entries. It's all about waiting for confirmation, guys. It sucks. We have to wait. Of course, we want to get in early before everyone does, but we have to wait for signs of confirmation, because if we don't, then we're gambling and it probably won't work out the way we want it to, right? So we have to be patient. Patience. GRR, PBM, down. GLT. See, look, GLT, there was no closure above VWAP, so you do not enter. Stay away. This is pushing up. BDRX, nice. This looks like it's reversing here. CYTO, could put this as support. I'm going to put $2. $2 psychological. So I just put this in blue. This is like my psychological color. And then this is your next level here. What is this? 180. 180. All right, what else is there? 2 spots left, guys, for the Discord. 2 spots. Hollow is cruising. I wish I didn't sell, but I sold just before I got onto this YouTube. Let me have a look and see what else is moving on the watch list here. Hopefully there is something else moving. But Hollow is the strongest play. GLT. Oh, SMX. People are pumping SMX. SMX. I'm just going to add this for Hassi. I know he's watching it already, but I'm just going to keep it here. SMX. Orange. Air is pushing up. SMX. In a second. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, SMX. So all I'll do is go to a larger time frame and see, okay, what is actually happening. So we can identify that obviously this is an area of support here. 0.2, whatever that level is. And then we have a trend line like this, downtrend. So that is what we have on this for now. This is your new support, 0.3. 0.3, mark 0.3, guys. 0.3 is a nice level. Ooh, 0.3, not 3.2. So 0.3 is your support, and then just this one we can leave. So if we can hold 0.3, then you should be fine. So I'll just keep an eye on this one for those who are watching. 0.3. SMX, watch this for trendline break. Break. I will not be trading this, unfortunately. I do not trade summer dollars. Wimmy, let me have a look at Wimmy. 2 minutes till the hourly candle closes. Wimmy has 0 volume. And looking at the chart, it is very bearish, unfortunately. So all I would do is simply just identify the trend. It's in a downtrend, so that means that you don't want to look for buys yet. When do you want to look for buys? When the trend line breaks. So safer entries would be here, I would say. Let me look around here. 0.73. So yeah, you'd have to wait. I'm not too sure if you're in or what the plan is, but yeah, that is what I have on it. Just be very, very cautious on this though. You want to make sure that you get confirmation on this that it breaks, because if it doesn't, then it could be tricky. Hourly candle closes in how long? 59. We have some couple seconds left. Right, what else is moving? What else is moving? Let me go over my watch list and then I'm going to head into Discord. All right. 2 spots left. 2 spots left for the Discord. 2 spots. Right. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Right, let's see. So CYTO is moving now, but I don't really like this candle. This is a lot of indecision. SMX is moving. It's moving, it's moving, it's pretty strong. Hollow runs, Wimmy follows. Oh, sympathy, really? Interesting. I'll keep an eye on it then. Thank you for that. Hollow. Okay, I'm gonna go with my watch list. So obviously Hollow is gonna be a watch for everyone. Why? Because it's up 150%. It is a crazy, crazy mover. We are waiting for this 220 break and we got a crazy move. Wait until market open, then you can buy. Which one? Buying from now, like 30 minutes before market open for me, or like 45 minutes, is just risky. Otherwise, you need to just scalp. Scalpers market. Swivel, nothing on this. Very, very, very low volume. You're in an uptrend though, that's all I have for this. Very low volume though, unfortunately. Hardy, which play are you referring to? So obviously Hollow's on watch. I have this CYTO, I'm just gonna keep it down here. BDRX, not really interested in this to be honest. This thing always gets pumped and dumped, I'm not really interested. GRDI, I do like, simply because we're in this channel down pattern. Expected price to break out of it, but it needs to hold 240. I'll just even put this level here. 240 support. Nice, nice, nice. 240 support. GLT. GLT, I'm waiting for $3. $3 break is what I'm waiting for. PBM, it doesn't look too great to be honest, but this is what I have for it. GRRR, I'm waiting for 125. CYTO doesn't look great. It looks like it's getting dumped, but I'll just keep it here. Air, I'm expecting 137 break, but for confirmation, I will have to wait until it breaks above. SMX, this one looks pretty insane. I don't know why it's running, probably news, but there it goes. Tell, this one, it's broken that 0.5, expecting continuation. Probably a pullback to around this level and then push again. What else? Yeah, MDRB, not really interested. Down, sub 76% though. Onco, this one is in a downtrend as well. 10x, this one's down, unfortunately. So that is it, guys. I will continue to chart again today, but I will be very busy in the Discord as I am live trading for members again, which I do on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's pretty much the same thing as what I'm doing right now for you guys, but I'm just giving entry, stop loss and targets and everything, and reasons why I get in the trade and those kind of things. So if you want to join, there are two or three spots left for the month. We've opened them up. I will retweet the link as well. Feel free to join if you want. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for joining. Peace out. Cheers, Hardy bro. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.